Now before you load the roll of material, what you want to make sure is both tensioners are either on or off. And how you do that is, these are your tensioners. You can see this one right now is currently disengaged. If it was engaged, it would be holding this gear in place. To engage them, you have to loosen these two screws and drop this down and then retighten these two screws. So we can show that real quick. Make sure that when you engage it, that you put it on one of the teeth of the sprocket. And just make sure you tighten it back down. Now if you spin the flange, you'll feel tension on the back. And this needs to be done for both sides, either on or off. Okay. And then once you do get your flange locked into place with the media on it, if you want to tighten it, this part lifts up, turns around, so you can tighten as needed.
Place the media on the tensioners. Insert the core on the tensioner portion, and then tighten the tensioner so that the media will not move. Now move the media through the middle of the printer and onto the front of the printer about 2 or 3 feet. Next, move to the front of the printer and pull on the media to create a slight tension.
One hand on each flange. I'll just slowly wind it back about maybe a foot or so. Just give it a, it's getting right out of all the slack. Alright, we're going to go over media setup today, and the media is loaded currently, and right now the LCD displays lever up. We will drop the lever, and our first media type will display. Right now it says type 1. That's what we're going to go over setting up. You can use VSM to custom name each one of these media types on the ValueJet 1638. It has 15 different media types. Right now I didn't press enter, so it automatically timed out and selected media type 1. At that point, I still had the option to select any of my 15 different media types. So it just finished initializing the width of the material. It displays the width of it. So we'll hit enter, and we're ready to print.